In this module, Pipeline Pilot users will learn how to modify an existing Pipeline Pilot protocol to change the display and layout of a dashboard. The display and layout of your dashboard can be customized for better views. In this tutorial, let's display a chart and corresponding table in the dashboard. Data piped into the Table HTML5 component are displayed as rows on a table. We'll add one to our protocol to offer another way to display the data. From the Components tab, drag and drop the Table component as branch off the Basic Statistics by Category component. Give a title to the table and pipe the output of the table to the input of the dashboard viewer. Let's see how this outputs. The table displays below the bar chart. The Layout component can be used to change the arrangement of table and chart in the browser. From the Dashboarding collection, add the Layout HTML5 component to the pipeline before the dashboard viewer. Drag icon should show a straight pipe. This component lays out the dashboard elements in columns, based on the number of columns parameter value. In the Parameters pane, from the Layout drop-down, select two columns and run the protocol to display the dashboard. The bar chart and table display next to each other. We'll add one more element to our dashboard. From the Components tab, grab the Area Chart component. Drop it as a branch off the Basic Statistics by Category component. In the Parameters pane of the Area Chart, set the X property value to Company and change the value to String. Now enter the Y value to rating_mean and then press Enter. The Area Chart needs to be piped into the Layout component. To display the two charts in columns above the table, select the 2-to-1 column option on the Layout component. Run the protocol again. The elements of your dashboard display as you indicated. Similarly, to display all the three elements of the dashboard in the same view, use the 3 columns option in the Layout drop-down. Run the protocol to visualize the two charts and the table distributed into 3 columns. Theme component can be used to modify the graphical view of the dashboard, such as including the background color, vertical spacing between elements, and decoration of the frame around each item. For example, the use of a box shadow or a colored border. Let us examine how to use the Theme component to change the background color and add a colored border around the dashboard elements. From the Components tab, drag and drop the Theme component after the Layout component. In the Parameters pane, change the background color value by selecting the desired color from the palette. Now change the border thickness value to 3px and change the default color to display dark red. Run the protocol to display the dashboard with preferred settings.